How to copy Instagram. Profile URL link and post URL link to place an order on Fresh Connect panel. Step 1. Log in to your Fresh Connect panel account by using your username and password, or sign in with your Google account. Step 2. After signing in, scroll down and search for the specific Instagram service you want, or you can just search for Instagram and navigate through the options. Step 3. Let's try and get Instagram page followers service. Now, you need to paste your Instagram profile link here. To do that, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile, click on Share Profile and Copy Link. You can now go ahead and paste your link on Fresh Connect panel to proceed your order. Step 4. Now, let's try and copy a post link. Go to your Instagram profile again and select any post of your choice. Click on the share icon and copy post link. You can now go ahead and paste on Fresh Connect panel to order posts, likes, views, comments, and more.